Presidential Investment and Empowerment Advisor Paul Tungwarara has announced the appointment of Catherine Tungwarara as the Social Responsibility Director in the Zimbabwe Presidential Investment and Empowerment Advisor's Office, a move that has generated widespread debate on social media. Sarabira Mashkoblanyi Wachinzi, Paul Tungwarara appoints Catherine Tungwarara as Director in Presidential Investment Office, sparking nepotism debate. It was subscribed or like on the bell icon. The appointment was publicized through an official-looking announcement bearing the Zimbabwean coat of arms and the branding of Presidential Investment and Empowerment Advisor's Office. A congratulatory message accompanying the announcement read, "Congratulations, Catherine Tungwarara, on your appointment as Social Responsibility Director. Wishing you wisdom, strength, and great success as you serve with excellency." The announcement was shared on X by Paul Tungwarara, attracting tens of thousands of views within hours. However, the appointment quickly became the subject of public scrutiny after users on social media questioned for the relationship between the appointee and Paul Tungwarara, as well as her professional background. Screenshots widely circulated online appeared to show a LinkedIn profile of Catherine Chido Tungwarara, identifying as a commerce chief with approximately 2 years experience working in Dubai after studying at an international center for culinary at ICCA. Toma developments are ruda pangwa inwe. Panakomesa kishemedo mutsi bafumiro elimori kudi pamsiro pechitiko ichi choitika aiwa with the Tungwarara family. Panakomesa kishemedo sound subscribe or like and you don't know the bell icon.